In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Minecraft for free on PC, using the free trial in this updated 2026 guide. First, open your web browser on your PC and go to the official Minecraft website. Look for the free trial page. It is important to use the official website so you download the correct launcher and avoid unsafe files from third-party sources. Once you are on the free trial page, you will see the option to download Minecraft for your computer. Next, download the Minecraft launcher for Windows from the official page. Click the download button and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. When the file is ready, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the launcher on your PC. This usually only takes a few moments. After the installation is complete, open the Minecraft launcher from your desktop or Start menu. When the launcher opens, you will be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your account details and complete the sign-in process. This account is required to access the Minecraft launcher and start the free trial. If you do not already have a Microsoft account, create one first on the official Microsoft website, then return to the launcher and sign in. After signing in, you will see the available Minecraft editions in the launcher. Choose the free trial version that matches your platform. On PC, you may see Minecraft Java Edition or Minecraft for Bedrock, depending on what is offered for your system. Select the trial option and then click Install. The launcher will begin downloading the game files to your computer. Wait for the installation to finish completely before moving on. Once the game has been installed, click the play button inside the launcher to start Minecraft. The game will open, and you can begin using the free trial right away. Keep in mind that the free trial is limited. It only allows you to play for a certain amount of time, and some features may not be fully available compared to the full version of the game. If you enjoy the trial and want the complete experience, you can return to the launcher or official website later and purchase the full version. For now, the free trial is a simple way to test the game on your PC before deciding to buy it. That covers everything you need to know.